Hello, welcome back. Right now I'm start digging up the uh, cultivating the land now. Okay, I already bent the slash grasses already, and now I am start digging. Okay, I'll fix the drainage later, but now I see I see that lots of stone here, piles of stones on the surface of the uh, uh, land that I'll cultivate. So I'm a bit suspicious that uh, there are lots of stone underneath as well. So what I need to do is I'll stop the drainage for a while, and I'll go straight into digging the cultivator land. Once I finish that, and when I notice that there's no stone inside the soil, then I'll fix the drainage later. So right now, what I'm doing is I'll cultivate this one. When I put the the spade into the soil, I noticed that there is no much stone inside. So I see that this part of the area is good for me to plant taro. So thank God, I'm grateful that this land is good for me to plant the taro seeds, which are ready now. So thank you very much, and please, thank you.